In this video, we are going to continue functions in TensorFlow. There are some other functions which are available and we are going to work on them one by one. First, we will import TensorFlow SDF. The first method which we are going to use is sort. This sort method will sort tensor in ascending or descending order. First, we are going to sort it in ascending order. Let's make a variable a and store some values. We are going to store some numbers randomly. Now we will make one more variable and we will apply the function sort and store in the variable b. We are applying the method sort on our variable a and we have to give one parameter direction is equal to, here we have to type ascending. Since we are arranging this variable in ascending order, now let's print b. We can see that it has been arranged in ascending order, that is from lowest to highest 1, 2, 10, 26, 62, 166. Similarly, we can also perform descending order. We will just copy paste this tensor. We will paste here and now here instead of ascending we will put descending. Now it has been arranged in descending order from highest to lowest 166, 62, 26, 10 to 1. The next method is stack. This stacks a list of tensors into one tensor. We are going to make three variables and stack them. Let's do that. This is our first variable. X. Now y is our second variable. Z is a third variable. Now we are going to stack all these variables into one and we will stack them over rows. tf.stack. We will pass our three variables x, y and z. By default this will stack over rows. Now we can see we have made a new tensor and all these variables have been converted into rows 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. But if we want to stack it over columns, we can pass a parameter axis is equal to 1 which will convert it into columns and stack it over columns. Let's do that. We will simply copy this, paste here, and now here we will pass our parameter axis is equal to 1. The next method is tile. This method constructs a tensor by tiling a given tensor. We will see what it does. We will make one tensor tf.constant x 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the data type is integer 32. We will make one more variable y and in this variable we will put some numbers 1, 2 and the data type is integer 32. Let's check the result. we can see 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 5 6. So this method repeats the numbers which we have in our variable. Suppose instead of 1 2 we say 1 3, then this will repeat the numbers thrice, that is 1 2 3 1 2 3, again 1 2 3 4 5 6 4 5 6, again 4 5 6. Let's check. As you can see, it has repeated thrice 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. These are some of the functions available in TensorFlow. You can try on your own. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you like my tutorial, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.